Alright, John, this is your newer ECU running. Disregard that left wideband gauge. Sometimes it drops off as it heats up. It's getting pretty old, but then it got so cold my speedometer cable froze and snapped. But here's a long third gear pull. She gets up and pulls pretty good for 43-inch military tires. Yeah, really nice air fuel curves. Like always, it's crazy windy here tonight. 50-mile-an-hour gusts, and this thing's just getting up and just lugging into it. Yeah, real nice air fuel curves at coast at about 14.7 to 15, which is about as perfect as you can get. Pulling up a hill here, you can see just got a little bit fatter in the mid to high 12s. Yeah, we're in 5th gear, so